have with us Ms. Prathiba Anandraj, SAP CX Practice Lead at Blueprint Technologies. Prathiba has been in the industry for nearly 2 decades now and has worked in telecommunications, manufacturing, real estate, and media firms across US, Middle East, Japan, and India in client-facing roles. Blueprint Technologies is a premier consulting house that pioneers in providing SAP solutions. Blueprint Technologies provides end-to-end ERP solutions in SAP, SAP CX, SAP Analytics Cloud, SuccessFactors, and Concurs for a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, distribution, process, offshore, FMCG, pharma, chemical, and professional services. Thank you so much for joining us here today, Prathiba. It's a pleasure to have you here with us. So, Prathiba, could you provide us a brief overview of Blueprint Technologies and its core areas of expertise?
Sure. Blueprint, we started in the year 2010. We are a cloud-native SAP services company. We are operating for the last 13 years across India, Middle East, Saudi, and US. As of today, we have 100 plus happy customers. We started our journey with 3 consultants, and we've grown over 260 plus employees today, and the number is still growing. We specialize in cloud solutions like S4HANA, public and private cloud, S4HANA conversions, HXM solutions, CX solutions, Concur, BTP, and SAC. It's been a great journey with SAP, and we've received a lot of awards like the ACE Award, Cloud Impact Partner 2021, HR Cloud Partner 2 consecutive years, 2018 and 2019, for all the work that we've done.
I mean, from 3 to 260 employees, it's really impressive. And of course, all the awards that you mentioned, it's really great. So Prathiba, if I had to ask you, right, there are other solution providers in the same domain. So if I had to ask you what sets Blueprint Technologies apart from other companies in the same industry, what would you have to say?
Right. So I would like to talk about it in 4 points. Okay. So the first one is our capabilities around end-to-end SAP services. Okay. We cater to end-to-end SAP solutions that actually cater to different industries like your manufacturing, pharma, professional services, oil and gas. So we have the capability to help customers with their entire digital transformation across SAP modules. And the second one would be our innovation mindset. So we basically differentiate ourselves with our strong focus on innovations. We believe in keeping up with the latest trends. We've created a lot of bolt-on applications using BTP to address customer-specific requirements. Some, to name a few, I think BlueBot was one of them, a conversational AI for SAP SuccessFactors, recruiting and onboarding module. Then we had also developed a BEEP, which is Blueprint's Enterprise Alumni Portal, a solution built using SuccessFactors and WorkZone, which actually won when it was presented in an SAP event. So our consultants have been working on innovative solutions using BTP. They've attended a lot of SAP events and have been recognized for the same. So basically, this helps our consultants to solve real-time customer challenges using new technologies. And coming to the next point, our deep process expertise. We make sure that we deploy domain experts in the projects. This helps in understanding the customer's requirements better to help them with their overall digital transformation across all the SAP solutions in their landscape. And of course, the last point is our focus on learning. We always focus on continuous learning. We encourage our team members to upgrade their skills regularly. For instance, our CX team is already trained on the Sales Cloud version 2. That is the latest version released by SAP. We are all set and we are targeting to position it to the customers in the upcoming quarters. We also have been recognized with SAP Pinnacle Award as runners-up in 2018 and 2021 for Partner Learning Excellence category. So those are a few points that I think are differentiating factors for Blueprint.
So while we're on the topic, Prathiba, how has Blueprint Technologies evolved and grown since its inception? And what is the company's vision and long-term strategic direction?
Like I mentioned, we started in 2010, right? And Blueprint established itself as a SAP services company, we started by assessing some SAP solutions, and today we have capabilities across all SAP modules, right? And our focus is to provide value to customers in terms of the technology investments that they do, right? By bringing in best practices and also our expertise in project execution across all SAP solutions. Other than the project implementations and application support that we are already doing, our focus this year is on move to cloud approach. This is for install-based customers who are using on-premise solutions today. We want to showcase the benefits of cloud solution to them and help them with their journey or movement to cloud. So we've been growing at a pace of 20% year on year. We have a distinguished clientele for whom we have successfully executed projects. We have a vision to double the revenue by expanding to multiple geographies in the coming years. And this we believe we will achieve with our strong customer references and innovation capabilities.
So, Prathiba, if you could tell us a little more about your partnership with SAP, it would be great.
So it's been a great journey with SAP, and we've been gold partners with them for the last 8 years. Our collaboration with them involves the sale of SAP licenses and a clearly defined go-to-market strategy for driving demand generation. We do a lot of joint events with SAP and have successfully converted many leads. We also have built QPPS packages, which is Qualified Partner Package Solutions, along with SAP. For specific solution areas, right, for faster deployments. This actually enables us entry into net new accounts. So that way it's been a great journey with SAP so far.
So how have customer expectations evolved? I mean, a lot has happened over the past 2 years, and the pandemic, I mean, I know we talk about it a lot, but the pandemic has evolved customer expectations. So how has the customer expectations evolved in the market, and what are your customers' key challenges in meeting those expectations?
So we are in an era of digitalization, like you just mentioned, Supriya. So consumers' expectations have drastically evolved, right? Unlike before. Today, everyone expects a personalized buying experience, quick responses, understanding of their needs, right? So now coming to the key challenges that we as a company would face in meeting these expectations is to understand the customer in that moment, right? Whether do we have the access to 360-degree view of the customer information across all systems in my landscape? Do I have an integrated view? Only then I'm able to provide a personalized experience to a consumer. And we are also able to provide customers with different channels to reach out to us. So do we have that capability? It could be through any channel. It could be like email, call, SMS, WhatsApp. Today, all of us have easy access to these channels. But is my system capable of providing this option to a consumer to reach out to me at any point in time? And as we all know, everyone is moving towards AI these days. Does my system have the capability to use AI ML scenarios to provide the next best action to drive my sales team's behavior? Is my system capable enough? So these are some of the challenges that we see when we think about bringing in new solutions, right? So that we are able to meet the evolving expectations of consumers today.
But that was a great insight into, both sides of the coin, if I may say, what a customer expects and what a business goes through in meeting those expectations. And you're right. I mean, the customer is willing to pay more for that kind of personalized experience. So, Prathiba, you have such a great understanding of, CX transformation challenges that organizations face. So, how does Blueprint Technologies approach the CX transformation needs of customers?
Would begin by understanding your existing landscape. We would do a journey mapping. We build a connected customer journey, right, across all the systems in your landscape. It could be your ECC or S4HANA to provide accurate and 360-degree information. We also focus on, I told you, bolt-on solutions, add-on solutions specific to your business needs that can maximize your technology investments. Some of these add-on solutions, to name a few from the CX, is Bob, a conversational AI solution, which actually allows a sales team to automate their tasks, like quick create of accounts or leads or opportunities on the go, right? It's a bot which they can use, and it's easily accessible, and everything is available on the CRM system later. And we also have VFast, which is Blueprint Field Accelerator for Service Technicians. This solution actually uses SAP Service Cloud, SAP FSM integrated with S4. And it also addresses a gap, I would say, in terms of the dealers managing their stocks, right? Issuing the stocks to technicians, tracking the stock availability. So this solution was built to address that challenge. Using the dealer portal, which was integrated with the C4C. So these are some of the add-on solutions that I just named, but we focus on building such solutions to cater to business-specific requirements.
It's wonderful to know that you have both end-to-end solutions and also add-on solutions which businesses can choose, based on their needs. And of course, it was wonderful to know about Bob and BeFast and the dealer portal as well. Thank you for sharing that with us. So Prathiba, before we conclude, if I could ask you, to tell us about some of the successful CX transformation projects you have spearheaded, and would it be possible to name a few customers?
Yes, Supriya, we have done quite a few implementations across in the CX space, at least across India, Middle East, Japan. I'll just name two of them. One is an implementation that we did for a retail company in Middle East. So they were looking to automate their service-related processes, which actually they were manually managing, which was resulting in a lot of human errors and delays. So some challenges that they were facing is providing visibility of the spare parts availability to their technicians when they are actually visiting the customer at the site. And there was a lot of delay in ticket creation because of manual activities involved. Assignment of technician also took a lot of time because of manual activities. They had to check the availability, call the technician, check when he's available, then assign the ticket to him, then inform the customer. So basically the entire process of ticket creation till closure was pretty long. And then the low usability of system because systems were running in silos. They were not integrated, right? Everything was running in silos. So they did not have a system, a centralized system where they have all the information. And of course, for the technicians, it was a challenge because they were not able to continue their operations anytime, anywhere because of lack of mobility. So they did a lot of research and then finally decided to go with SAP Service Cloud implementation to address these challenges. And we as a partner were able to help them with this journey. So post-implementation, some of the benefits that they see is the reduced average call handling time, right? Where you have all your customer information handy for your service agents or technicians. So the responses are pretty faster. And improve productivity of technicians and service team because now everything is on the mobile. They have their mobile apps and they have visibility into the stock. They have visibility into the service ticket details. So everything they do on the go, even it works in offline mode, right? So that has really helped them improve productivity without having to depend on other teams for information. And moving from a CRM solution which worked in silos, now they have a completely integrated system, right? Which obviously has helped improve the service quality and has resulted in higher customer satisfaction levels. So that is about a customer for whom we did implement Service Cloud, and they are seeing the benefits of it. The other customer that I would want to talk about is where we implemented Sales Cloud. Okay, it was a rubber manufacturing company in Japan. And their basic challenges were lack of a unified sales operation system, which was required to decrease redundancy and to reduce a mismanagement of sales info. Lack of centralized customer database, lack of visibility in sales team's performance. They had no insights for decision making. So these were some of the challenges that they faced before they actually implemented Sales Cloud. And now they see a lot of value-driven benefits after implementing Sales Cloud. They have real-time information on all sales activities on the mobile, right? And they have rich reporting capabilities, including the customer history, interactions, Everything is available to them, readily available to your sales team and to the management for better decision making. And of course, it has increased Salesforce productivity because they have a view into role-based dashboards. They, at the start of the day when they log in, they are able to see today what is my task, right? What I have to complete, how much is pending with me, what was my target, and how much I have achieved. So this is the kind of view they are getting. So they are also able to track their performance day-to-day basis. And with all these benefits as a company, they are able to grow the pipeline because now they adopt to a structured process for opportunity and activity management. So with this, I think they've really transformed and automated their sales process in their company.
Pleasure to talk to you. Thank you for sharing those examples as well. It'll help, businesses who are watching this interview, help them learn how they can enhance customer experience for their customers. And personally, for a customer, me being a customer myself, it was a very enlightening sort of interview because, customers tend to be very entitled. So it's wonderful to learn how organizations like Blueprint Technology are working so hard to deliver, flawless customer experience for us as well. Thank you so much, Prathiba. It was wonderful talking to you.